Are you looking for a low mid-range budget phone that costs less than $200? You know, something that will get you from point A to point B? Well, the Blackview A95 could be a possible solution for you. Also, I like to thank Blackview for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's go to the best part of the show, and that's the good old joke. And the joke is, why did a hobbit set his cell phone on vibrate? You don't know? He was afraid the ring would give him away. Hey guys, welcome to Dancing with Tech. The Blackview A95 is scheduled for a worldwide release today. If you look at the phone, you will see there are three beautiful colors: Summer Ocean Blue, Aurora Night Black, and Fantasy Galaxy Rainbow, which will have sleek rounded corners and an ultra-fine matte finish. This fancy design is coupled with three rear 20 megapixel Sony IMX376 cameras. These cameras will change your life when you realize night shots will be super bright, and when you take pictures during the day, you will get that crisp, ultra clear photograph. That wow moment you guys don't want to talk about when you see how beautiful your picture, you're like, wow. If this phone is sounding good to you, there will be a special promotion. Just stay to the end of the video for more exclusive details. On the front side of the camera, you will be greeted with a massive 6.5 high definition display with an 8 megapixel punch hole selfie camera. If you are a part-time gamer like me, then you may be excited about this. This phone will come with an 8 gigs of RAM, which will give you a better experience while running multiple apps or gaming. And while gaming, you can be jamming to some cool music using the powerful box speakers. You will also get 128 gigs of internal storage and the option of 1 terabyte of external storage. The operating system is Dock OS 2.1, which is based on Android 11. This phone will also have a 4280 mAh battery and a 18-watt fast charger. This phone will also have a special GPS integrated that will allow you to utilize satellites, which will guarantee faster, reliable, and accurate positioning. You will never get lost in the desert. If you are interested in this phone, there will be early bird specials starting right now. As of February 21st, you could get this phone as low as $139.99 with a $10 coupon. So don't sit on the couch and procrastinate. Go in the description below. I will appreciate it. Click on the link and don't think. There you go, $10 off. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And also, make sure you like this video. Like this video because you like me. And also, you notice there's no question for the day. Well, here go one. And the question is, are you gonna buy this phone? Let me know in the comments below. And until next time, guys, I'll see you guys later.